And this is just gonna keep on happening.
Keep on quilting!
If you keep on calling must mean you want to talk, right?
I'll just keep following you then.
And if you keep on talking, you're gonna waste one of them.
Keep on, used to, talk about continuing to do something.
You wanted to keep up this charade.
You would be able to keep up if you hadn't bought another pair of stupid stripper shoes.
How are you supposed to keep up with what she eats all day?
Keep up the great work and you'll fit right in here.
This place is expensive to keep up.
Keep up, used to, talk about staying at the same level, speed or standard as others.
Keep back!
Keep back for now.
Keep back there.
And keep back looking at me?
I said keep back.
Keep back. Used to talk about holding something or not telling something.
Keep away!
Keep away.
You keep away from me or I'll be forced to name you in the police report as an accomplice.
It's pretty hard for you to keep away from that word, isn't it?
Keep away. Used to talk about staying at a distance from something or someone.
Thinking she was some sort of criminal or couldn't keep off the gin.
Keep off the dirigible plums.
Keep off the block.
So if I were you, I'd keep off your radios.
You're asking me to look at a cold-blooded killer. A man I know to be guilty, a man you want to keep off death row.
Keep off. Used to talk about avoiding or not touching something.
Shut up and keep out of sight.
You keep out of it.
Who are you trying to keep out?
So keep out for Pete's sake and get to work. The arcade's about.
You better keep out of the way now, all right, old man?
Keep out. Used to talk about preventing someone or something from entering.
Keep in touch.
You must train a lot. Keep in shape.
We still keep in touch.
Keep in mind, I'm supposed to be critical.
The thing we keep in there is an affront.
Keep in. Used to talk about staying indoors or not expressing feelings.
Give it your all and keep to the shadows.
What code is gives to keep to if the worst should happen?
The things best friends keep to themselves these days.
You keep to the right.
I have a promise to keep to an old friend.
Keep to. Used to talk about following a rule, plan, or schedule.
What did you keep from Luke that almost cost him his life?
All the money I make that you keep from me.
In order to keep from failing her class, Juanita decided that she will cheat on the math test.
Maybe there's some stuff that we can keep from the outsiders.
Keep from becoming the slaves of the rich Patsinavante.
Keep from. Used to talk about stopping yourself from doing something.
I'm trying to keep down one of our world-famous tamales.
Hey, you know what I like keep down here in this cave?
See that guy Larry can't keep down a watch factory.
I want you to stay with me, but you keep down.
If I could find something I could keep down.
Keep down. Used to talk about controlling or reducing something like noise, costs, or emotions.